Yeah, so if you pay close attention to those making huge sums of money weekly, monthly, online, there's no exception. They are just like me and you. The only difference is that they start, like they actually do the working. The problem with you is you don't start. Maybe you are waiting for that big opportunity to drop before you come to the realization that you actually need to start working or connect with real people online before you can make money. What I mean is you actually need to pick up that camera, that phone that you have, start documenting your life, create content of you walking around, eating, doing something. The right audience will fall in love with whatever you do, and with time you can convert those loyal fans into money. Or either way, you can become a middleman and still make money online. And making money online isn't something easy as people preach. It's not as if you can just press any button online or press any button somewhere and get huge sums of money. It actually takes time. You actually need the skill set, either talking on camera, like the confidence to talk on camera to create content and not be shy, or create a winning product, or even learn skills, communication, public speaking, video editing, content writing, all those stuffs. So and with that, I'm going to show you how I've been able to make money past these years with whatever I've preached to you or whatever I'm telling you right now. So the first thing is getting a skill set, and I know I've talked about this like 4 or 5 times already in my past videos, so I won't stress much on that. As of 2025, you should be able to know what is good for you or whatever you can do or what skill set is right for you, so you can start making money. I'm just here today to show you a real method that works for me, so you can also start making money for yourself. So we all have friends, families, and we all know people. We all have contact on our phone, followers, or at least people that we can influence, right? The only secret sauce here is you turning those friends or followers or family into your customers. Yeah, becoming a middleman. So you just need to study your work group, friend group, or maybe even your neighbors. Just study them, study their daily activities, know what they like, what they don't like, and know where the the problem or a mistake is. You only make money by solving problems, right? So you just need to make sure you know whatever they want, whether they need it urgently or there's something they will definitely need one day. That's where you come in. So your job is to search for those vendors, whatever service or product or problem it is. You need to be the middleman, connect your people to the right vendors or the quality or the appropriate vendors. So by doing that, you just have a conversation. By being a middleman, you talk to the people in charge, they deliver to the third person, then you get your percentage. So let me give you a real life example. So I do run errands for people and make money out of it. But people will see that as maybe you are being used here, because you need to be useful before you can make money, or you need to be used. So what I do is I know plugs anything that you want to get, being electronics, anything. I will just go and find the right and trusted people and tell them, look, I'm bringing your customer this and this. After every sale, make sure you also give me something, or maybe I get a percentage of whatever the person buy, because I also make sure the person get the thing and I'll recommend you to others. So with that, anytime someone is looking for a specific product that you know someone you can really trust, you can just take the hassle upon yourself. They get to pay you the transport and everything. At the end of the day, you are also going to get a cut from the vendor. And if they are generous enough, the buyer will also try to award you or reward you with something for your effort. Yeah, so another example is online affiliate programs. So websites like Bisample Bot literally pays you for answering questions based on your daily activities, what you like, your travel experience, your eating, maybe your health, and all those stuffs. And you can also introduce people to these platforms for you to also get commission just by them signing up onto the program. And one thing about affiliate is 90% of the people get brainwashed about this affiliating. Most of them fall for these scams of you signing up onto an affiliate program by paying first before joining, and you also get, let's say, 10 or 20% daily just by performing mere tasks. And even they promise you to get like 50 or 70% off if you bring someone new and they also register with their money. So what they are doing basically is they are paying you with their registration fee, whilst they tell you to keep bringing in more people so they can keep the system running. And at the end of the day, within 1 or 2 months, they will start fading off if whatever target they set for themselves is being met. So what they do is they tell you, no, you can be getting like 100 cities or maybe 10 cities daily if you deposit 500 cities or maybe 200 cities now. Then the more you bring people, the more successful you become by also earning 5% of whatever they are also getting on the platform. I know this works, but for how long this will work? It will just work for 1, 2, or 3 months. So don't be greedy. Making money online is easier said than yes, as I said. So you need to make sure you're on the right path by just being a middleman. That is the best advice ever I would tell you. Have other means you can make money, but the best advice is becoming a middleman today. After watching this video, don't just go online and go and scroll and look for any other motivation anywhere. Just start wherever you are with whatever you have. YouTube is paying me. YouTube can pay you too. TikTok is not paying, but at least you can get brand deals or even sell to your followers or subscribers anywhere you create content. So this is your sign to start making money now. And if you found this video useful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share to your friend as well.